Are you ready?
What's this?
You tell me. What's that?
Grapes.
That's grapes.
Good job.
Good job, yeah? What other fruits and vegetables do you have here?
Good job. Peas. Let's go. Good job.
Okay, let's see. What are these?
Peas.
Peas?
What's this?
So that's the skin.
Orange.
That's an orange.
Peas.
Good job.
Peas. Uh-oh. It's okay.
And what was this? What's this?
Orange. Good job.
Here. There you go.
What's this? Peas.
Peas. And what's this?
Peas.
What's this, Imaan?
Peas.
No, this one?
Peas. What's this? Peas.
That's peas. And what's this?
Corn.
Corn. And what's this?
Hickory.
Cucumber? Good job. And what's this?
Pizza.
Okay. And what's this? What's this?
Cake.
Cake. Do you know what this is?
Hickory.
No, this? Tomato. What about...
This one.
What's this?
This.
Strawberry. And what's this?
Go.
Ice cream.
What's this?
And what's this, Imaan?
Avocado.
Avocado. I think this is a lime. And what's this? Is it good? Are you eating the ice cream? What's your favorite? Vanilla or strawberry?
Hey, go. Mommy, ask you.
Do you know what this is?
You.
Imaan? I'm not sure. Okay. What's this? Imaan?
Here.
What's this?
Here.
What? Do you know what this is? Uh-oh. Okay. Look. This is a pear.
Yummy.
Yummy. And what's this?
Yummy as the
What's this?
carrot.
Carrots. Do you know what this is?
Apple.
Pineapple. Good job.
Uh-oh.
And do you know what this is?
It's okay.
Do you know what this is?
Oh.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Okay. What about
This one. This one.
what about this? What's this, Imaan?
A dog.
Hot dog.
This.
And what about, look at this. What's this, Imaan?
It's on.
Tuna. Tuna can.
Oh,
Okay. Look, we have a burger. Here.
good.
That's your patty. Look. And that's your tomatoes.
Patty.
Yep. And that's your lettuce. And that's your, what's this?
Good.
Burger. Good job. Say bye.